I'm gonna give y'all a quick little unboxing. Y'all see that? That's not what we unboxing. Dropping next week. A retail pair. Shout out to Plug. Boom. Jordan Levi denim collab. Hang tag. I love the tongue on these. And it tells you the size. Levi's on the inside. Got the white, red, and gum bottom. No net, it's solid. Material is denim. Feel good. They look good. I just got these in today. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even see that. Hold on, let's see. Alright, so the left shoe has the size on the top. The right shoe doesn't. But what the right shoe does have, inside, same as the other one, but the outside you get the Levi's tag on it right there. See the air bubble. So just a quick unboxing. I know it's been a while. Follow me on IG at Don1285. I promise I'm gonna start uploading more videos. I've just been too damn lazy. And a little teaser of another unboxing I need to do. And this box feels like the Gatorade 6s. If you got that box, that material, I don't know what it is. Alright. Matter of fact, we'll just do it in this video. So, Chinese New Year 6s. I don't know the release date on these. They feel good. There's 3M back here, and it's 3M quality like the infrared 6s. The UNC 6s, the 3M was pretty trash behind there. It was pretty much non-existent. On these, it's like the infrareds. Suede, nubuck, whatever this is. Got the gold lace lock. And the detail on here is pretty nice. This is like the Knicks low top 5s. If y'all got those. Can't even think of the damn material. Translucent sole. But anyway, that's that. And I'm gonna get into some more stuff I got. Y'all know that box. I got a ton to go through, y'all. But I promise I'm gonna get back on this video stuff. Again, follow me at Don1285. Holla at you.